boat return. Our Lady of the Rocks in Montenegro. What a gorgeous view. Ticket. No tickets. Go.
Okay. Where you come from? Australia. Original India, no?
Original India, yes.
India, New Delhi. Slowly, watch your head, please.
Thank you. Oh, very nice.
Straight up, they know.
It's very close to Asia.
Sir, please, you can sit in the other side. Balance. You have 100 kilograms. I think I have also. Guys, how long time? Half an hour, okay? 20 minutes.
Half an hour is good.
Half an hour. Okay, same place, same booth.
Is it gonna be you?
Yeah. Me, but same booth, don't worry. Same place, same booth. Maybe my friend already.
Cool. See you soon. Thank you. Voila. What a beautiful place, huh? Look at this. Crazy. Hey. The structure you see behind me is called the Our Lady of the Rocks in Montenegro. Beautiful place because it's actually situated in the middle of this lake. They built this island back in the days. According to Google, it only took them like 30 something years to build an island strong enough to hold this chapel here, this church. Back in 1400s, 1500s. Let's have a quick walk around and see what it looks like. Got a souvenir shop here. A dock. This chapel. Look at those mountains. Montenegro! You can see that in the distance. Apparently, there was a quarantine center. People used to quarantine in that island and then walk over the main city or the old city. Now, this is my second time actually in Montenegro, in Kotor. Actually, sorry, third time in Montenegro. And I've driven past this place every single time. But this time I'm here with my bro and sis, and they've got a bucket list to cross out. And this was one of those things, one of those places. Let's take a walk around and then maybe we'll go inside. There's a museum in there, I think. Look at these rocks. The water is crystal clear, man. There's a photo shoot going on here.
some white exhaust and some fluid, some on it.
What a gorgeous day today to be coming out. So it costed us 15 euros each person, but in the end, he negotiated it down and offered us 30 euros, which included 3 people on the boat return, as well as the car park. Now we checked on Google, and apparently you can get this boat for 5 euros, and the guy was offering like 15. So not sure, but we ended up taking it anyway. 30 euros included back and forth return trip on boat and parking. We're going to be here for half an hour checking out the place, and we're bouncing to Kotor. Yo, there's a museum here too, right?
Yeah, somewhere.
Keen to go? Let's go. Huh?
Do we have access?
I think we do. Calm down, calm down. Look at that beautiful view. I love this material, man. Look at this table. Look at this table. Hey, do you want a magnet from Montenegro? Our Lady of the Rocks. Wow. Seems like there's a €2 museum entrance, and I don't have cash on me. I'll check out the number.
Be careful.
Okay, got my phone, got my shit. you.